Yes, Mr. Sarthak. Question number 8, first part.
56 paise as a percent of rupees 2.80. Rupees 2.80 will be 280 paise. So 56 upon into 100. So 0 can be cut. And then 560 upon 28.
Can I read out?
No, sir.
So the answer would be 20%. Is it 20%?
Yes, sir.
See, in these questions, in all these questions, all that you need to remember is, actually in all these questions, all you need to remember is that this and this should be same. The unit should be same. So for example, if this is paisa, this should be paisa. If this is centimeter, this should be centimeter. If this is hours, this should be hours. If this is grams, this should be grams. If this is millimeter, this should be millimeter. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, third part?
Uh, 630 grams as a percent of 3.5 kg. 3.5 kg is 3000. 3,500.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir. 630 upon 3,500 into 100, so 0 can be cut. 63 upon 630 upon 35.
So if you calculate 630 upon 35, do you have the answer?
So I didn't calculate for that, I'll just do it.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, again, what I'm trying to tell you in these questions is that the numerator and the denominator should have the same units. That is the only thing that you need to take. And of course, you should know the conversion. So for example, you have 3.5 kg, you should know how to convert this into grams. If you are not able to do that, then it is a problem. Third part, Mr. Sarthak. So 2.24 centimeter would be equal to 224 upon 100 into 10. Is it okay?
Yes.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now it is correct. This will be equal to 22.4 millimeter. Yeah, now it is okay. So 2.8 millimeter upon 22.4 into 100. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So then you need to solve for this. Now this decimal and this decimal will vanish. 28 8s are 224 and this would be 12.5%. Sarthak, is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Great. Mr. Satya, first part, 9th first part.
Uh, 150 upon 60 into 100, which is equal to 250.
Again, I'll have to convert 1.5 meter into centimeter. The conversion is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter, 15 upon 10 into 100. So this would be 150 centimeter. Is this conversion okay?
Yes.
Now basically the question that is being asked is that what percent of what percent of 1.5 meter is 60 centimeter? So now it has to be written as 60 centimeter upon 150 centimeter into 100. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
What percent of 1.5 meter? So of will come in the denominator. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then you will do the cancellations. 15 fours, this would be 600 upon 15. 15 for the 0, this would be 40%. Sarthak, is the answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, third part?
So we have to do first. We have to convert rupees to paise. So it would be 600 paise. So it should be 40 upon 600 into 100. So the 0 will be.
And 2 3 the 20 by 3%, which can be written as 3 6 the 18, 6 2 by 3%. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Fifth part, Mr. Sarthak, were you able to do it?
No, sir, I couldn't do it.
Okay, this is a bit difficult. So the simple thing that you can do is convert this into improper fraction. So this would be 7 3 the 21 plus 1, 22 upon 3, and this would be 5 to the 10, 11 upon 2. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So we have reached till here. Now what percent of 7 1 by 3? Whatever is off, it is written in the denominator. So this 22 by 3 would be written in the denominator, and this would be written in the numerator. भाई कोई doubt है तो पूछिए. Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya?
No doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, the problem is, you might find it difficult how to solve this. Now, the simple way how you can solve this is, see, what is this? This is 11 upon 2 divided by 22 upon 3 into 100. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Now, this divide will make this reciprocal. Any doubt?
No.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So basically what this means is, you write the numerator as it is, but you take the reciprocal of the denominator. Both of you have understood or not? Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya?
So I understood.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm trying to tell you is that usually when students see fraction like these, it becomes difficult. So what I'm trying to tell you is that just visualize that what is this written. This is 11 upon 2 divided by 22 by 3. Now this division is there, which will become multiply, and this will be the reciprocal. Now rather than doing like this, simply what you can do is write the numerator as it is, then take a reciprocal of the denominator, and then you can solve for this. This is a bit tricky calculation, so it is okay. So this would be 4, and this would be 25, and 25 3 the 75, so this would be 75%. Sarthak, Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, this becomes a bit tricky. So for example, 2.5 divided by let us say 3.5. So Sarthak, how should I solve this?
So we'll convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction.
Akash?
3 into 2, 6 plus 1, so 6 upon 2.
Shabash.
And 5 upon 2 upon 7 upon 2.
Shabash. What should I do? Yeah.
5 upon 2 into 2 upon 7.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So basically the numerator remains the same. Numerator remains the same. You just take the reciprocal of the denominator. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Satya, how should I do this?
So the first one will be 13 upon 4.
Shabash.
And the second one will be 9 upon 2. Then we have to multiply it.
What should I do?
13 upon 4 into 9 upon 2.
अरे दादा 9 upon 2 नहीं है, इसका
Sorry,
reciprocal.
2 upon 9.
इसका reciprocal है.
Yes.
And just remember, see, there is another hack that you can remember when solving this. Keep this line longer. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And longer than this and this. Then you will understand what is happening. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So just keep this line longer. It helps a lot. Because then you do not get confused. Yeah, Satya. How should I do this?
15 upon 7 upon 7 upon 2. So we have to do 15 upon 7 into 2 upon 7.
Satya, how should I do this?
7 upon 3 upon 9 upon 2. Then we have to do 7 upon 3 into 2 upon 9.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do question number 1?
If 16% of a number is 60, then find the number. 16 upon 100 of x equals 60. We multiply both sides by 116.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So what Sarthak has done is 16% of a number is 60. So what he has said is that you take this number as x. So what he is saying is now if you convert this line into an equation, it would be 16% of x would be 60. And then what he is suggesting is that this percent is equal to 1 upon 100. You write this as 16 upon 100. This of is multiplied is equal to 60. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What should I do next? Mr. Sarthak, what should I do next?
So we have to divide both the sides by 100 upon 16.
You have to multiply, not divide.
So I said multiply.
So 60 into 100 upon 16, and you will have the final answer. 4 4s are 4 1s are 4 5s are 4 25s are 25 into 15 would be equal to 375 would be the final answer. So this number is 375. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Satya, how should I do second question?
So first we have to make it to improper fraction. So we have to do 13 multiplied by 3 plus 1, which is 40 upon 3 in first. Okay.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satya, what should I do next?
Then we have to multiply it by 100. So now to remove the x, we have to multiply both 300 upon 40 on both sides.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, question number 3.
If 0.6% of a number is 15, then find the number. 0.6 into x equals 15. So 0.6 upon 100 into x equals 15. We'll multiply both sides by 100 upon 0.6.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
This would be 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 and 6 5s are. So the answer would be 2500. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's meet on Thursday and then we'll solve 4 to 12. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I have sent you the PDF. Both of you have the PDF.
Good, sir.
Have you got this PDF, Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Satya, try to do till 12 question. We'll discuss till 12 next time.
Yes, sir. Okay.